Hey guys, we're having lunch here sa Vietnamese restaurant. So nice there, Kwan oh.
Yeah.
Aww.
Cherry blossom.
Cherry blossoms ba? Ganda.
Petition pa.
Without filter.
Yeah.
Right pa?
Yeah.
Yep. So proud of you. So we're in the what font? Say font, Ali. Oh. I laughed so hard when it said font. Oh, so sweet. This is their pho. Ang ganda oh, tita. May ating garets. He's a grown-up. That's my papa. My pogi papa. Very, very nice tita. All the time. I appreciate you.
Use the right two lanes to take the Gardiner Expressway west exit.
This is the Toronto town, guys. Toronto town na ba, tita?
Yeah. Downtown.
Downtown nila. Oh, so many buildings. So, wala kaming ganito, tita. So, dito kami nanood ng Blue Jays. It's a beautiful walk. Yes. Rogers Center, where we watch the Blue Jays. Hindi ko kasi siya makuha ng malapitan. But now I can. Oh, it's so nice. See, look at my tita again. That's my tita who brought me here for the first time. Oh, oh, look at the lolo and the
Yung guide natin.
Yeah. I told tita I was about to sleep. The ride is so nice. 40 minutes to get here.
Bakit parang tumataas?
Kabila tayo.
Bakit yung araw daw 6:15 down?
Yeah. Naka-open ba yun dito? Naglalak ba yun? Wow! Still remember me? No.
Mamalasin Sa kanya mala.
Ang kapay ng malasin na.
Kachak mang!
Amo ka ato si Kanawaling.
Oh, okay, good.
That's good. What about me, Mang?
Awa, nakalimutan ko na.
I have the same name as you.
Oh, really? So you are Dolly.
Yes!
Dali what?
I
Dali.
do not
Marie.
Apayawan niya mamom nga dali nga sa body.
awanan.
Nalipata mo.
Asatan.
Oh.
Sino
Apom kanyak, Mang. So, great-grandma anak.
Great grandchild mo.
Ay, yeah, great, yeah.
Malagi.
Guys, this is Mamang's place.
This is nice. Dita ni Marie Detoy.
Marie, Mang.
Anak ni Delong kini. Ano pa siya?
Same name as you.
Same name ham.
Yeah, Dali. Di ba, Mang? Bakit?
Magkutak mo na yun.
When? Ito yung washroom ni Mama. Oh, she's very tidy. She's very tidy, tita. Oh, her bed is very nice. Ala, napaka-put up niya, tita, ha? Solo niya ang house, guys. So, he named me after you, right?
Yeah.
So, you remember me now.
Yeah.
I saw you about like,
Sorry to interrupt.
18 years ago.
Yeah. A long time already.
This is my grandma, guys, from the father's side. My only grandparent alive. She's my only grandparent alive, tita. Yeah, all of them are in the other side. You're the only grandparents left.
Saskatchewan.
Son had a game, so we have to come here.
What is his name?
Volleyball. He plays volleyball.
So they are going to play volleyball soon.
No, it's done.
Did they win?
Mm-mm.
Manutuon mo
I'm
man.
so
I'm
surprised.
85.
Mm.
It's still beautiful.
You're still conscious and very beautiful, you know?
No, I am ugly already.
No, my dad is even look older than you.
He look older than you.
Oh, look at you.
Wait.
Wait,
Picture na to eh.
can I wait? I'm gonna video the picture.
Curtis,
Yeah.
it looks like he was. Then why did you keep driving? How could you see the accident and just leave us there?
Kita mo ni Jordan.
Oh, that's Tito John's family. Tita Malu's family on Tito John, Tita Lovey.
Do you hear yourself?
You hear yourself
Yeah, Mang.
and left Jordan.
And Tita Au knows where you live.
Closed captioning of this program is brought to you in part by Claritin. Get the power of 24-hour allergy symptoms.
Mama, Tita Malu, sa likod.
Toy?
Haan? Ay, nag-ask kasi ako if where do you park. So I'm so glad. You just don't know how happy I am to see you like this.
Like, I am so
When
glad
you can come
because
again.
Yeah.
when will you come again? I always miss you
Call me, okay?
when I get the phone. I always say
Marie,
Marie.
oh.
Why do you always call Marie? I don't know. Perhaps she's thinking of me. I keep telling them.
So next time, call me, Mang. My phone number is there.
Yeah.
I have unlimited calls within Canada, so
Marie.
Nakatibdog ta kung Tama niyo pa akong
don't be scared. I'm not gonna bite you. I'm just gonna munch on you.
Pagkamto kini Malo, kini Tito Johnny, at dahil may ito'y nga...
Apo ko na.
Abo ko na.
Yeah, but I feel like it's too late.
You what will I use it? I do not go out anymore.
O, inom ka na ba di arak ka? Ni, arak ka.
Wine? Water. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi. I am Dolly, the older version. I am Dolly, the younger version. Oh, this is my grandma from my dad.
Yeah.
It's nice to see you again, okay?
Okay.
I will come back, okay? You will stay alive and healthy and kicking, okay?
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you. Bye bye.
Ka maturugan, antay ka na ka.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, love you.
Bye.
Lock the door.
Sorry. Yeah. Yeah, same shirt as Clyde. There. Oh my gosh, this old man.
Oh my gosh, he doesn't want to walk back.
Oh my gosh, your lolo. Ha? Kapudutong ka malagayam. Apay kami nga naka-jacket ka. Guys. Nasa ano kami? Ha? Sige, orayin da ka. Wala namang washroom dyan. And my tita. Yan yung papunta sa food court. That's my tita and my dad. Oh, they have peanuts, Clive. But it's not as...
It's not as nice.
Yeah, Papa's there.
Yan na ulit kung muna nag-iwi, waitress Jayan.
Milk or orange juice na daw.
So tika magustuhan bigay. So nga no daddo makaya mo ti dumalaw-dalaw sa jail.
Oh, I want extra.
Papa, eating. Let's eat, guys. Sushi.
Stones yan na. Marie.
No, it might be. It might have been a very long.
This is my beautiful cousin. Look at that. Come on.
It's Anya. Remember Anya's mom?
Anya's mom.
Okay. Now I remember.
Oh, go bless to your auntie, Clyde. This is my eldest ate. So tall. Not long. Magtitino ka ha. Toronto at night. We're here at Chocs. Hey guys, we're eating dinner. Say hi, Dom. That's Dom. Ate's son. Chocs. Mine is this. Clyde is this. That's Joaquin. Yummy. Yum. So nice, Clyde. Ang laki na niya. I used to own the turtles, but the mini ones. But they don't last long. This one, oh my gosh. When somebody change phone. Yeah, that's your only one because we never change phone. Oh, look at that, Clyde.
This is the busiest trip here in the falls.
Oh my gosh, Clyde.
No,
That's
I'll make a turn and then we'll stop by there.
Clyde.
Ceylon.
Antonio's beside that tower. I mean, no, he's in,
Which one? The Tower Hotel
like, I think beside it.
or Holiday Inn?
Oh, Niagara's right there.
Yeah.
Oh,
This is
Clyde.
the falls. Right there.
The falls is right
I'm
there,
gonna
Clyde.
turn around.
We're in Niagara. Ang mist. Parang umuulan. Clyde, oh! Kunan mo na yan, anak.
Okay, my camera quality is too dark.
Really? I have to send this to you? Nasa Fairfield kami, guys. Chine-check-in lang kami ng ate ko. Andun siya. So, very late na kami nakarating dito. Mga 1 a.m. Oh, hey guys! We are at Fairfield ngayon. Kasi chinek-in kami ng cousin ko dito. Ayan. Oh, they have a good view here in Niagara. Pero bukas na lang ako mag-show.